What is real will prosper. I always say that. That's what I live by. What is real will prosper. I love these kids, and I know what it feels like to be alone. I got alone tattooed on the left side of my face. I know what it feels like to be alone, and I mean that. Like, I know what it feels like to wake up somewhere where you're not supposed to be, around people you're not supposed to be around, and be around. You could be around 1 million people and still be alone.
On many interviews, X has stated what is real will prosper. What does this mean? What you put into the world will become into light. How you articulate yourself is what you will get. I searched on Reddit and I saw a few different conclusions that are all right, that are all on the right path of this definition. What you put out the world will prosper as long as there is genuine intent behind it. The good will last forever. For me, it always meant to manifest your dreams and to put effort into everything you do and to get everything you want. If you sit idly and do nothing with your life, then nothing will ever come to you. But if you work at getting it, it will come and it will prosper if you turn your dreams into reality. In my most recent video, I've talked about the law of attraction when X has spoken about such. I will link it right here. But talking about the law of attraction, you can wish for these good things. You can have these positive thoughts in your head that you relay over and over and over again. But until you actually take action, it will not happen. Until you actually believe that this is your reality, it will not happen. Once you believe that it is your reality, you will start to take small steps that become bigger steps in your own life to capture what you want. You will start to see that your own dreams can become reality through your activities and through your belief of such. What you put out into the universe will manifest. It will manifest in any way that you like, but your own intention behind it will cause it to manifest at a much faster degree. X's whole ideology was to warn his fans and tell his fans about the dangers and the positives of manifestations. That manifesting can get you anything that you want in life. This may be a good thing, this may be a car, this may be a job, this may be a significant other in your life, but it could also be bad things in your life, such as death, such as hate, such as disapproval through your peers. What you articulate in your mind will come out in your life. What is real will prosper. That is the true meaning behind it. He goes more into light about what it actually is on an interview with No Jumper that I will clip right here.
Here's my prime fucking motto. What is real will prosper. What you feel in the night, what you feel in the morning, what you feel midday, that you don't think, other people have the same thoughts. You feel alone in this thought, but other people have the same thoughts, and it breeds, and when you display this thought, it breeds a certain amount of comfort.
Here he says that your thoughts display an emotion, and this emotion seems real to you, that your thoughts have a real impact on your life. And it clearly backs everything that I've said in this video and further proves that manifestation in your own reality field depends on multiple things, but what you truly believe and what you truly desire will always come into your life. Tying this into J. Cole has a song called Kevin's Heart, which he released on his KOD album. And on the song he says, "They tell me what's done in the dark will find a way to shine. I done did so much that when you see, you might go blind." What's done in the dark will always find a way to shine. I see this super correlated with what is real will prosper. What you truly do behind the scenes when nobody's looking at you is what you will get in your life. That is truly the person that you are. You can't tell me that the person that you are is the person that you present yourself to be around everybody else if you're not that person behind closed doors. Behind closed doors, you are your true manifestation. If you watch porn behind closed doors, then that is who you are. You can't tell me that when you step into reality, but you're doing some perverted shit behind doors, that you are not that perverted person in reality. You truly have to train yourself to be the person that you are, the person that you want to be, and the person that you will be for the rest of your life in a true fashion. That your two realities, you're in somebody else's face and you're behind closed doors, must mesh. And they must correlate with each other in order to become your true self and your higher self. In order to properly do such, you must look at your own life and to the things that can push you forward, such as some spiritual activities, which X was getting into, such as his chakras and keeping his chakras in balance, which I have detailed in this video right here.